Have you ever struggled with stubborn skin conditions that just won't go away? Imagine waking up one morning and seeing clear, healthy skin where once there was redness, itching, and irritation. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're going to dive deep into a powerful solution that could make this dream a reality. Mometasone Furoate Cream IP.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from it.
Now let's talk about Mometasone Furoate Cream IP. This topical corticosteroid is a game changer for many battling with various inflammatory skin conditions. But what exactly is it, and how does it work? Let's break it down.
First, a bit of background. Mometasone Furoate is a potent corticosteroid that works wonders in reducing inflammation, redness, and itching associated with skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. But how does it achieve this? Let's delve into the science.
Mometasone Furoate Cream works by inhibiting the release of inflammatory mediators. Think of these mediators as tiny messengers that tell your skin to become inflamed and itchy. By blocking these messengers, Mometasone Furoate helps your skin calm down and heal.
But that's not all. This cream also has vasoconstrictive properties, meaning it narrows the blood vessels in your skin. This reduces swelling and redness, making your skin look and feel better.
Plus, it's antipyretic, which is a fancy way of saying it helps alleviate that annoying itching that can drive you crazy. So, in essence, Mometasone Furoate Cream is like a triple threat against skin problems: anti-inflammatory, vasoconstrictive, and antipyretic.
Now, how should you use this miracle cream? It's pretty straightforward. Apply a thin layer to the affected area, usually once a day, or as prescribed by your healthcare provider. But remember, more isn't always better. Stick to the recommended amount to avoid potential side effects.
Speaking of side effects, while Mometasone Furoate Cream is generally safe when used correctly, there are some things you need to watch out for. Common side effects include burning, itching, or irritation at the application site. These are usually mild and go away on their own.
But if you notice signs of an allergic reaction, such as rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, seek medical attention immediately. These are rare but serious side effects.
One important thing to note is that Mometasone Furoate Cream should not be used on untreated bacterial, viral, or fungal skin infections, as it can make these conditions worse. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment.
And for our younger audience or parents out there, use this cream with caution in children. Kids can be more susceptible to side effects, so always follow your doctor's guidance.
Storage is simple. Keep the cream at room temperature, away from direct light and moisture. And of course, keep it out of reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion or misuse.
So, who should not use Mometasone Furoate Cream? People with hypersensitivity to Mometasone Furoate or any of its components should avoid it. Also, it's not recommended for long-term use, as prolonged application can lead to side effects like skin thinning, stretch marks, or even systemic absorption.
Now, let's hear from some real people who have used Mometasone Furoate Cream. Their stories might just inspire you.
I've struggled with eczema for years, and nothing seemed to work. But after using Mometasone Furoate Cream, my skin started clearing up in just a few days. It's been a lifesaver.
Psoriasis has been a part of my life for as long as I can remember. The itching and redness were unbearable. But with Mometasone Furoate Cream, the relief was almost immediate. I finally feel comfortable in my own skin again.
Amazing, right? Now, if you have any questions or personal experiences with Mometasone Furoate Cream, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.
And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and product reviews.
Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap. Mometasone Furoate Cream is a powerful topical corticosteroid used to treat inflammatory skin conditions. It works by reducing inflammation, narrowing blood vessels, and alleviating itching. While it's generally safe when used correctly, be mindful of potential side effects and always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment.
Now let's dig a little deeper into each condition that Mometasone Furoate Cream can help with, starting with eczema.
Eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, is a condition that makes your skin red and itchy. It's common in children but can occur at any age. Eczema is long-lasting, chronic, and tends to flare periodically. It may be accompanied by asthma or hay fever. Mometasone Furoate Cream helps by reducing the inflammation and itchiness, providing much-needed relief.
Next, we have psoriasis, another condition that Mometasone Furoate Cream is highly effective against.
Psoriasis is a skin disease that causes red, itchy, scaly patches, most commonly on the knees, elbows, trunk, and scalp. It's a common, long-term, chronic disease with no cure. Psoriasis can be painful, interfere with sleep, and make it hard to concentrate. With Mometasone Furoate Cream, the symptoms can be managed effectively, reducing the discomfort significantly.
And let's not forget dermatitis.
Dermatitis is a general term that describes a skin irritation. It has many causes and occurs in many forms. It usually involves itchy, dry skin or a rash on swollen, reddened skin. Mometasone Furoate Cream can help soothe the irritation and inflammation, making the skin feel much more comfortable.
But wait, there's more. Let's talk about some practical tips for using Mometasone Furoate Cream to ensure you get the best results. Tip number 1. Always clean and dry the affected area before applying the cream. This helps ensure that the medication can penetrate the skin more effectively.
Tip number 2. Use only a thin layer. Applying too much cream won't make it work faster or better and can actually increase the risk of side effects.
Tip number 3. Avoid covering the treated area with bandages or other coverings unless directed by your doctor. This can increase the absorption of the medication, potentially leading to more side effects.
Tip number 4. Be patient. It might take a few days to see improvement, so don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results.
Tip number 5. Follow your doctor's instructions carefully. This includes not only how much to use, but also how long to use it. Overuse can lead to problems, so stick to the prescribed treatment plan.
And here's a bonus tip for you. If you're using Mometasone Furoate Cream on a large area of your body or for a long period, you might need to take breaks in treatment to avoid thinning of the skin.
All right, now let's talk a bit more about the science behind Mometasone Furoate Cream. Understanding how it works can give you a better appreciation of why it's so effective.
Corticosteroids like Mometasone Furoate work by mimicking the effects of hormones your body naturally produces in your adrenal glands. When applied to the skin, Mometasone Furoate interacts with specific receptors in your skin cells. This interaction suppresses the immune response that causes inflammation, redness, and itching.
But it doesn't just stop there. By reducing inflammation, Mometasone Furoate Cream also helps prevent the damage and scarring that can occur when skin conditions are left untreated.
This dual action, calming the skin and preventing further damage, makes it a powerful tool in managing chronic skin conditions.
Now let's answer some frequently asked questions about Mometasone Furoate Cream. Question 1. Can Mometasone Furoate Cream be used on the face?
Answer: yes, but with caution. The skin on your face is more sensitive, and prolonged use can lead to side effects like thinning of the skin. Always follow your doctor's instructions and avoid using it near your eyes.
Question 2. Can it be used on children? Answer: yes, but children are more susceptible to the side effects of corticosteroids. It should only be used under the guidance of a healthcare provider and for the shortest duration necessary. Question 3. Can I use Mometasone Furoate Cream if I'm pregnant or breastfeeding? Answer: if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this cream. While topical corticosteroids are generally considered safe, it's important to weigh the benefits and risks with your healthcare provider.
Question 4. What should I do if I miss a dose? Answer: if you miss a dose, apply it as soon as you remember. However, if it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and resume your regular schedule. Do not apply extra cream to make up for the missed dose. And finally, question 5. Can Mometasone Furoate Cream interact with other medications? Answer: while interactions are rare, always inform your healthcare provider about any other medications you're taking, including over-the-counter products and supplements. This helps prevent any potential interactions and ensures safe use.
So, there you have it. A comprehensive look at Mometasone Furoate Cream IP. Whether you're dealing with eczema, psoriasis, or dermatitis, this cream can provide much-needed relief and help you manage your skin condition effectively.
Remember, the key to getting the best results is to use it correctly and follow your doctor's advice. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider.
Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might benefit from this information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and product reviews.
Also, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any experiences with Mometasone Furoate Cream? Have any tips or additional questions? Drop them in the comments below and let's start a conversation.
Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.